Hi friends! In this video, we will make a mini mushroom from the polymer clay. It's so easy to make. Don't skip the video. And don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Thank you. I start by making the mushroom head. I had to mix the brown and the black clay to get the perfect shade. Now let's shape the head. Shape it like a hat. Shaping. It really looks like a hat. Now let's make the mushroom stalk. The color has to be lighter now. Mix. Now I will shape the stalk. Make sure it's not too long. Let's join them now. I'm fixing it a bit more. There it is, ready to get cooked.